Welcome to POS. In this video, I'll explain everything about dine-in order step by step. First, click on dine-in to start the order. Then tap on all tables and select the table you want. Once you select a table, you'll see the full table view with guest 1, guest 2, and more. If you take an order on the whole table, the order amount will be split equally among all guests. Let's take an order for the whole table. I'll add a few items for the table. Now, select Guest 1 and add items specifically for Guest 1. Next, move to Guest 2, then Guest 3 and Guest 4, and add their orders in the same way. If there are more guests, click on the Add Guest button. As you can see, Guest 5 is created. Let's add items for Guest 5 as well. Once the order is ready, click on the cart icon, then tap Proceed and Fire. All the orders will automatically be sent to the kitchen. Now, let's take an order for another table. Click the back icon on the top left corner. You'll also see the last table where you took the order. Click on All Tables, select a table, and take a simple order. After adding items, click the cart icon. Click on the three dots. You can add order notes. Apply a discount. Next to the three dots, click the box icon to create a custom item. Here, you can enter the item name, set the price, and quantity. Click the eye icon to see complete order details like tax, discounts, and totals. Click the paper icon to view all orders guest-wise. Now click Proceed and Fire. Again, open the three dots menu. You can add guests. Update the order. Fire all items again. Print unpaid receipt. Transfer the server. Now suppose Guest 1 wants to pay their share. Click Pay beside Guest 1. Select the tip and choose the payment method. To complete payment for all guests, click Pay at the top. Select the tip. If the customer wants to split the payment, click on Split Payment. Here, you can choose how many ways to split or enter a custom amount. Enter the customer amount and select the payment type. Now pay the remaining balance by choosing another payment type. The order is now completed. Let's go back to the last order we took. You'll find that table under My Tables. Click on the table. If the guest wants to update the order, click the three dots, then Update Order. Add the new item, go to the cart, and click Proceed and Fire. If any item needs to be removed due to wastage, click the dustbin icon. Enter the manager code and confirm. The item will be removed from the order. Now complete the order. Click Pay. Select the tip. Choose the payment method. Next, go to All Tables and select any table. Take a random order, click the cart, and Proceed and Fire. If you want to clear a table, go to the admin dashboard. Open Floor Plan, then click Clear Table. From here, you can clear the table easily. And that's it. This is the complete dine-in order flow in POS.